Happy Friday, everyone. South Florida. Very windy here on the beach. Got part of a rainbow. Welcome to YouTube. Welcome to my channel here on YouTube. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment below after the upload. To Hollywood Beach. Happy Friday, everybody from South Florida. This is a little after the rain from the beach. We're on the broadwalk, enjoying some beautiful beach views here in Hollywood, Florida, everyone. Very windy early evening here. It's about 85 degrees here already. It's about maybe 29 Celsius in that area. After the rain, you got some great clouds over the ocean. Some nice beach views. The palm trees blowing in the wind. Again, happy Friday. Welcome to my channel here on YouTube. Bringing you another upload here from Hollywood Beach. We're on the broadwalk here in South Florida. After the rain. View up the broadwalk here towards the north. We're at the southern end of the beginning of the broadwalk here in Hollywood. It stretches a couple miles up the north. Look at the color of the ocean. Let me zoom in a little bit on the ocean, everyone. You can see part of the rainbow. Love the sky. Again, it just stopped raining. The sun is out. Let me move over here a little bit. See some older properties that have been here since probably the 1940s. Some of these buildings, these properties along the broadwalk here. You can see how much water we have over here. A lot of these streets here in Hollywood, they flood easily after a big rainstorm. You can see the flooding here. A lot of the side streets off the beach. Got a nice boat out there in the distance, everyone. So again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up for the video. It helps with the algorithm. Also, please leave a comment. Tell me what you like here about the beach. I'm trying to bring more uploads here to YouTube. Eventually go live. Looking for hopefully more subscribers to my channel. So I apologize in advance about the wind. I have a different microphone I'm using for this upload this afternoon. Nice boat out there, everyone. Nice little shot there. Friends, have a great weekend, and I appreciate those that have stopped in and caught the replay here on YouTube. Have a beautiful weekend, friends. Much peace and love. Look for more uploads. Hopefully some live future videos from South Florida here on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And please, love to read your comments down below. Take care, everybody, from Hollywood, Florida. Thanks for watching here on YouTube.